guys! Nagbabakasyon po si Jayon. We're at Azure North. Azure North. Walking in the morning ang peg namin. Justin! Hi! Ooh. Ooh. Holy Week vacation at Azure North. Wow. Bukas, swimming ulit. Kahapon, nag-swimming na. Bukas, swimming ulit bago umuwi. Uwi na ng Sunday.